Now we will create a program in Python for string palindrome. String palindrome means a string which is read same from front and back. Those are called string palindrome. So the program will accept a string from the user and the program will tell whether the string is palindrome string or not. Some examples of palindrome strings are radar. If you read it from left, it is radar, and if you read it from right, it is again radar. Madam, Nitin, Malayalam, Aurora, Dad, Mom, and so on. So before we proceed, let's understand the concept how we will develop the program. Suppose we accept a string in variable s and the string is madam, which is a palindrome string. What we will do, we will use two variables. One, suppose I, that will be initially 0, and another variable say j, that will be at the last index position. In this case it is 4 for j and 0 for I. Then we will compare the characters at I, si and sj position. If the characters are same, we will not do anything. We will simply move I to forward and move j to backward, means I will move to 1 and j will move to 3. And if the characters are not same, we will use a variable, we will put 0 and we will break the loop. So since in this case m and m match, so we will simply proceed I to 1 and proceed j to 3. Then again we will compare the characters. It is again same, so we will again forward I to 2 and j to backward to 2. And the loop, there will be a loop inside which we will be proceeding this. And the loop condition will be that while I is not equals to j. Let's see the code. S equals to input, enter a string. We can accept a string by input function. If we want to convert that string to integer, we use end function. Otherwise, input function gives a string. P variable I have used for storing 1 or 0. 1 means palindrome and 0 means not palindrome. I is 0, j equals to len s minus 1. Len function automatically calculates the number of characters in the string, and then the last index will be minus 1. Suppose hello, there are 5 characters and the last index will be 4. So len s will give the number of characters, minus 1 will give the last index position. Then there is a loop while I not equals to j. If si not equals to sj, p0 break. Otherwise, I equals to I plus 1, j equals to j minus 1. Once this loop is over, if at any time this condition is achieved, si not equals to sj, it means p will have 0 and it will be terminated. The loop will be terminated. So after the loop, if p is having 1, it means palindrome string, and if p is having 0, it means it is not a palindrome string. Like in this case, if r is matched, then a is matched and d, the loop terminates. Suppose it was r a d e r, so r was matched, fine, but at a and e won't match, then p will be 0 and the loop will be terminated. So if there are no matches in a palindrome string, the loop is terminated with the p as 0 value, and that gives it not a palindrome string. Let's run the program. Enter a string, MATAM, palindrome string. Let's run it again. Take MATEM, not a palindrome, because in this case MM matched but A and E did not match, and the P was given the value 0 and the loop was terminated, and finally it gave the message not a palindrome string. So the program is working fine. That's all about palindrome string in this video. Take care.